Hi, my name is Kate Kraus, and this screencast will introduce you to an online learning module for AP Biology students using Haiku Learning. This is a fully online course, so students will complete all assignments online. The topic of the unit module is classical genetics. The overall goal is for you to distinguish between different patterns of inheritance and track inheritance through generations. The unit is divided into 3 topics: Mendelian inheritance, non-Mendelian inheritance, and pedigrees. Once you've logged into Haiku Learning, you will be able to find AP Biology under the My Classes tab at the top right corner. Once on the AP Biology main page, you will see links on the left side of the screen. The first page, titled Class Overview and Course Organization, gives you some information about how the course is designed. The final 13 pages are for our 13 units. The only unit provided online is Unit 10, Classical Genetics. Once you click on the page, you will see there are 3 subpages for the 3 lessons in the unit. Let's click on Lesson 1. Each lesson will first provide directions, learning objectives, and learning goals. After this, you will see 4 activities on 4 subpages: an Explore activity, a Learn activity, an Extend activity, and an Assess activity. For Lesson 1, the Explore activity requires you to post to a discussion forum. The link to the discussion forum is given on the page, but can also be accessed through the Connect tab at the top. The Assess activity requires you to complete an online multiple choice quiz. The link to the quiz is given on the Assess page, but can also be accessed through the Assess tab at the top. You can contact me at any time by clicking Help and selecting Contact Your Teacher. With regard to grades, you will be able to view your quiz results by clicking on the Assess tab. I will also share grades for all assignments with you using a personal gradebook file in Google Docs. I hope this gave you a basic understanding of how the course is structured. Please do not hesitate to contact me with any questions.